To retrieve your money from Venmo if you've sent it to the wrong person, there are several steps you can take. If your payment is pending, you can open the app, find the transaction in the main tab, and click on the Take Back option. Alternatively, if you've transferred money to a friend or family member by mistake, you can send them a charge request for the same amount, including a note explaining the error. However, if you've sent the money to a stranger, you can contact Venmo's support team with the details to see if they can assist. It's worth noting that accidental payments are often not recoverable unless the recipient is willing to send the money back. Therefore, acting quickly to cancel the payment before it's complete is crucial. In cases where you've been scammed, meaning you voluntarily sent money but didn't receive what you paid for, you may have legal rights to reclaim your funds. If you sent the money from your bank account, you can contact your bank for support. Or if you used a peer-to-peer platform, you can reach out to them directly. By taking these steps, you can increase your chances of retrieving your money from Venmo if you've sent it to the wrong person.